Hi everybody, welcome to my video. For today's video, I'll be doing a strawberry matcha color theme press-on nail set. So I already have my nails picked out and buffed. I'll be using this like flat edge brush, I don't know what you call it, but my thumb and my index finger will be green. My middle and ring finger will be cream white. My pinky will be like a reddish purplish. As you see, I'm going to be going in with this light green color. I'm going to be doing 2 coats of this. To make this color, I use green and yellow. Just adjust the amount you want to make the color that you want. Also, the nail tips I'm using is oval nails. I know some tips look like they're almonds, but these are oval nail tips. With Shein, this is a sheer white color. Here's the red I'm gonna be putting on my pinky. I really like that color. Here's my second coat of the white. Here's my second coat too on my pinky. I'm also going to be going in with a liner brush. This is the 12mm one. I'm going to be doing a French tip on my index finger with that red color. This is how I like to do my French tips. I draw a line down the middle and then I just curve down on the side of the nail. Onto the finger, and then I'm going in with my lighting brush and just smoothing it down, smoothing everything out. Make sure I get the edges. I will be going in with a second coat to cover everything up. For my middle finger, I'm gonna be doing like a plaid pattern design. The red color striping down. My green. Oh, sorry, it's kind of blurry. And the line's kind of thick, but that's okay because we're not all perfect. I'm doing my pinky, I am doing a French tip, a green French tip. Oh my goodness, it's blurry. I'm so sorry. When I do my nails, I like to hold it a bit close to my face. Oh, and here I am. I'm going across the nail now. I really do like this design. And then here I am adding the red stripes across. If I don't like it, I will wipe it off, but I liked it here, so I kept the lines. I know they're thick, but it gives it more of a dimension. I don't know, but I like it. But I'm going in with my ring finger. I'm doing green because like the color scheme is pink and green, but there's also some white. And I just use an old eyeshadow palette that I don't use anymore. And I'm using a cotton swab. I try like a eyeshadow brush, but it doesn't work well. So if you do want to do this, use an ear swab. Also, I am going in with this pink eyeshadow on my thumb. This is actually my second time redoing it because the first time, I don't know why there was a streak down the middle on the nail. Like, I didn't like that, so I redid it. This is what the nails look like before I top coat it, and I'll be using the Model 1's top coat. And here are the nail tips I use. I got this off of Shein, I think for like $6. And then I'm just pointing to which is my nails. So that one's my thumb. That one's my middle finger. That one's my index finger. That one's my pinky and my ring finger. Oh, and I'm gonna be using some nail stickers for the thumb and my ring finger. I'm going in with these chrome iridescent strawberries. Ring finger, I'm going in with these strawberry ones. Sometimes I overdo my nails and just like I do too much. Like here's the finished one. That was a nail transition. I tried. So, here's me just showing you guys my nails. So cute. Oh, sorry about that. I got some nail polish on my finger. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys stayed till the end of the video, thank you so much. Bye.